How to add highlights on Instagram without adding to story. First of all, let's navigate and open Instagram app on your phone. Once the app is open, let's go to the profile page from the bottom right. Once you are there, from the top left, tap on the plus icon. A new page will appear on the screen, and here tap on the gear icon at the top right. On this page, tap on story. Next, tap on hide story from. A list of friends will appear, and to hide it, check mark all of them and then tap on finish from the top right. Now let's go back to the add to story page, and here upload a media file. Now from the bottom, tap on the arrow icon to share, and from this pop-up, tap on share button. Here tap on add to highlight option. A pop-up will appear, and here enter a highlight name according to your need and tap on add. Tap on finished to complete. Now let's go to the profile page, and here you can see the highlight has been added. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.